Which Appendix carry holster is actually worth your money? Simple question, but the answer isn't obvious, especially when half these products look identical online. Today, we're cutting through the noise with 5 real options that actually solve common carry problems. Product number 1, Most Compact Belly Band. This Most Compact Belly Band caught my eye because it claims compatibility with almost every popular handgun out there: Glocks, Rugers, S&W Shields, you name it. Priced accessibly and moving over 1,000 units a month, it's clearly resonating with everyday carriers. If you want a no-frills, versatile holster that disappears under casual clothes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The breathable neoprene material actually stays cool during long wear, which is huge if you're sitting at a desk or driving all day. The 5-inch wide band distributes pressure evenly, reducing hot spots that make other belly bands unbearable after an hour. Plus, the built-in magazine pouch and extra pockets mean you can ditch your wallet or phone case. Everything rides together. It's ambidextrous too, so lefties aren't left out. Now, some people complained about the snap closure feeling flimsy compared to Velcro or magnets. Here's the thing though, if you're not drawing under extreme stress, the snap is secure enough for daily carry. And honestly, it's quieter than loud Velcro rips when you need to access your gun discreetly. This is perfect for you if you're new to concealed carry or rotate between multiple handguns. Skip this one if you need red dot or weapon light compatibility. It doesn't support those setups. For the price and flexibility, it's solid value. Product number 2, HOGIKUO Holster Wedge Kit. Now, if the Most Compact's bulk bothered you, this HOGIKUO Wedge Kit takes a completely different approach. It's not a holster, but a comfort upgrade for your existing AIWB rig. At just $19.25 and with 200+ recent buyers, it's a smart add-on, not a standalone solution. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Appendix carry puts direct pressure on your femoral artery and nerves. Even small improvements in angle and padding make a massive difference in all-day comfort. These foam wedges let you tilt your gun slightly away from your body, reducing printing and eliminating that poking feeling. The 0.5 and 0.8 thicknesses give you real adjustability, and the industrial adhesive actually holds up through sweat and movement. Some users reported the adhesive weakening after a few weeks of heavy sweating. Here's the thing though, you can easily replace the backing with stronger double-sided tape or reapply it cleanly. It's a minor fix for a major comfort upgrade. This is perfect for you if you already have a good AIWB holster but struggle with discomfort or printing. Skip this if you're using a soft holster that already has built-in padding. You won't gain much. For under $20, it's a no-brainer tweak. Product number 3, LPV Magnetic Belly Band. Alright, that was a solid comfort hack. But the next one on my list might actually be better for fast access. The LPV belly band uses magnetic retention and military-grade materials. At $48.76, it's pricier, but with claims of 40% faster draws and backing from ex-military designers, it's built for serious use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Traditional snap or Velcro closures can fail under stress or slow you down when seconds count. The dual magnetic buttons here hold your gun firmly but release instantly with a proper grip, no fumbling. The 6-inch wide neoprene band also resists rolling, which is a huge win if you're active or wear tighter clothing. Plus, it fits red dots and larger compacts like the Sig P365, which many belly bands don't. A few reviewers mentioned the magnets can feel too strong at first, making the draw slightly stiff until you adjust your technique. Here's the thing though, that's a training issue, not a design flaw. Once you get the motion right, it's smoother than snaps. This is perfect for you if you prioritize speed and reliability over ultra-low cost. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or prefer minimal gear. It's feature-rich but not minimalist. Given the 2-year warranty and pro endorsements, it's worth the investment. Product number 4, VNSH Cordura Belly Band. Now, if LPV's price gave you pause, the VNSH Belly Band offers premium materials at a mid-tier cost, $77.01, but built to last. With Cordura fabric and ambidextrous design, it's aimed at serious carriers who want durability without going full tactical. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Cordura resists abrasion, moisture, and daily wear far better than basic neoprene. The dual mag pouches are actually usable, not just cosmetic, and the Velcro closure is soft against skin, preventing chafing. It also fits up to a 68-inch waist, making it one of the most inclusive sizes out there. Some users said it runs warm in summer due to the dense fabric. Here's the thing though, that's the trade-off for durability. If you're in a cooler climate or air-conditioned most of the day, it's barely noticeable. This is perfect for you if you want a long-term carry solution that won't fall apart in a year. Skip this if you only carry occasionally or live in a hot, humid area. For active lifestyles, it's a smart buy. Product number 5, S-Greatney Foam Backer Pad. Finally, if you're tired of hard Kydex digging into your hip, the S-Greatney Foam Backer Pad is a simple but brilliant fix. At $21.82, it's another accessory, but one that transforms uncomfortable holsters into all-day carries. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Memory foam conforms to your body, eliminating pressure points that cause numbness or pain during extended wear. The self-adhesive Velcro covers the entire back, so you can trim it to fit any holster shape without waste. It's also breathable and sweat-resistant, unlike cheaper foam pads that flatten out. A couple of buyers noted the adhesive isn't permanent, it can shift if not applied perfectly. Here's the thing though, that's actually a benefit. You can reposition it during testing until you find the ideal angle. This is perfect for you if you love your current holster but hate the discomfort. Skip this if you already use a padded holster or carry outside the waistband. For the price, it's an easy win. So which one's best? The Most Comtac is great for beginners, HOGIKUO and S-Greatney fix comfort issues cheaply, LPV delivers speed for serious users, and VNSH offers rugged longevity. There's no single winner, only the right tool for your lifestyle. Pick based on your priority: concealment, comfort, speed, or durability.